If no one else is going to talk about it, I guess I might as well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and I'm so very what? Blind. Oh my, it's a little bit scary. Hey, get it. Hey, get it. Hey. Today's video is going to be yet another one of those videos in which I talk about things that might make you feel a little weird, a little odd, but for good purposes. I honestly believe that these beauty topics that I've been kind of talking about in different random videos on my channel, as taboo as they are, they're important because I feel like a lot of people, I don't want to say suffer because that's kind of extreme, but people go through these experiences and they don't talk about it enough, so then you might feel weird about your body or whatever, or you might feel less beautiful, or you might wonder why people are so flawless and you're not. Girl, you are flawless. Boy, you are flawless. And we're all going through the same thing, so why not talk about it? Today's video is going to be about how to deal with and prevent ingrown hairs. I'm going to take you through preventative measures as well as what to do whenever you encounter one of those little nasty bad boys. But before we get into everything, as always, make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as turn on the post notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video. And feel free to follow me on social media at Lemonisto8, pretty much everywhere. That way you can see behind the scenes content and other glam and ratchet parts of my life. But let's just get right into today's video. For preventing ingrown hairs, no matter where it is on your body, the first and most important thing you have to do is exfoliate. A lot of people exfoliate their face and take care of their skincare routine on their face, but you kind of start to forget when it comes to your body. Whether you're a dude who's trying to prevent ingrown hairs on your beard area, or just somebody trying to prevent it in your region down nether, or you know, on your armpit and stuff, anywhere that you grow hair. Exfoliation is key. Getting rid of the dead skin cells on your skin surface will help make everything else easier. So you can use a scrub, you can use a exfoliating brush, you can use a washcloth. Some people don't wash with that, which I didn't know. I've always used washcloths, so I don't consider them to be really exfoliating, but you do you. You can use a loofah, just anything to help you get the dead skin cells, the extra dirt, debris, oils that might be on your body. And you can also use chemical exfoliants that are safe and approved. There's one by First Aid Beauty that I recently got in a BoxyCharm and I've really been loving it. Chemical exfoliants have AHAs and BHAs that basically exfoliate, but on a deeper chemical level. The First Aid Beauty one is actually scrub-like, so it actually does have texture to it, but not all AHAs and BHAs do. You can use toners, different things. I'll try and link some different products that I really like for my body down below for you guys to check out. Next thing you want to do is steam the area if you can. And you do not need a $30 Amazon steamer to do so. Just get a bowl of water, nuke that thing in the microwave for about 3 minutes, and then be very careful. Take a damp paper towel or a cloth and kind of use that to own in the steam in the area that you want. Again, if you're doing it for like facial hair, it's easier to steam this way. If you're doing it in the nether regions, honestly, just take a hot shower. It creates no steam. And then if you're doing it for like your legs and stuff, pretty much a hot shower will do. This will just help to open up your pores and help prevent hairs from being stuck in there and growing awkwardly, because that's what causes ingrown hairs. It's just a hair that's trying to grow out and instead it goes and then tries to grow out from the back. It's trying to look back at it, but it's not doing it successfully enough. Okay. Easy preventative tip number 3 is to always use a clean razor if you shave in the area that you have ingrown hairs or are trying to prevent ingrown hairs. Clean razors are fire at making sure that you get a clean shave. It also decreases the chance of you cutting yourself, but it also helps in preventing ingrown hairs. Obviously, you can't replace an expensive razor if you use one every time, so be mindful of that. I try to just remember how many times I've used my razor before I replace the head of it, but you can also get like really cheapo disposable razors and just use those once every time you use it. When it comes to shaving, the next preventive tip is just to shave with the grain of your hair, not against it. Super simple. That'll prevent ingrown hairs as well. And when shaving, also use a cream. Don't do what I do and not use a shaving cream. I have gotten it down to a science to shave without a shaving cream, but I would not recommend that for most people. I know you're not supposed to, so there you go. Always make sure your skin is hydrated from the inside out. Drinking water is just a good life hack overall, but in the areas that you feel like you really want to prevent ingrown hairs, make sure that they're really nice and moisturized with moisturizers that work for that area. And Last preventative tip, wax if possible. I know I'm always telling you guys shaving tips because I feel like shaving is cost effective. It's something that most people do. Some people are scared of waxing, but I also really love waxing. So if you can, wax, but if you can't, then do the other tips. Now on to treating ingrown hairs, which is probably why you're on this channel. I have a few hacks that I am going to share with you guys on how to treat them. The first being the Miracle product that I get from the European Wax Center. This video is not sponsored by them, by the way. I've been going to the European Wax Center for 3 years now. I haven't been going during this pandemic. You guys know because one of my most popular videos on my channel is my wax video where I talk about it and praise it. They have a serum specifically for ingrown hairs, which I bought and I like to use. It's like $30. It's a really great investment and it's a big bottle, and you can also use it as an acne treatment, and it helps for acne to go away as well because it also has salicylic acid. The salicylic acid helps to treat, and that is like the key thing to helping any ingrown hairs. And let me just tell you, it is magic in a bottle. You have to try it just to find out. Following up, you want to also use a non-greasy moisturizer in that area. People treat ingrown hairs often like they do acne, which is they treat it wrong. They try to dry out the area by putting a lot of like alcohol-based products on it and then not taking care of the skin and just hoping that it gets better, and that's not what's supposed to happen. You still want to hydrate the skin and take care of it just as you would the rest of your skin to help make the ingrown hair go away faster. So use non-greasy moisturizers to do that. And the last thing you can also use on ingrown hair is tea tree oil. It has a strong scent, but it is one of those ingredients that also really helps with acne as well as ingrown hairs. Ingrown hairs are similar to acne in the fact that there's bacteria building up in that pore that the ingrown hair is in. It's just the cause is different. I honestly feel like ingrown hairs kind of go away a little faster than some blemishes do. So tea tree oil should be a really good solvent for your problem. I guess solution for your problem. I don't think solvent's the right word for that. And the other thing that I want to tell you is that as painful as it may be, try your hardest not to pick at ingrown hair. I know it's annoying. It's the same thing with blemishes. You're not supposed to pick at it. Have we picked at it before? Yes, but I plead the fifth. We're just gonna go forward, move forward, learn, live, and be nice to your skin. Don't pick at it if you can help it, but if you do pick at it, just make sure that you're doing it with clean fingers or clean tools, and that you clean it afterwards, and then follow the rest of the other steps to make sure it is gone pronto. So yeah, this is pretty much my video on how to prevent and treat ingrown hairs. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and give it a thumbs up if you did, as well as if you guys like these type of videos, because sometimes I don't really know. Most of the videos that I don't think you guys are that interested in, you tend to really like, and it tends to be these really weird ones. So that's why I figured I'd put this one up, especially since it's the summertime. And let me know in the comments if you guys want any other videos on topics that you feel like people don't want to cover or shy away from. I really don't have too many limits as long as it's not problematic. So do with that as you will. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to stay tuned for my content. I post videos like this. I do makeup, fashion videos, and vlogs. Very girly glam ratchet aesthetic here, and you guys are welcome. Welcome to join me anytime and be a part of the glam band. But with all that being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.